Hello everyone! Today we're going to show you how to turn off the Earn Badges feature on YouTube. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy-to-follow tech tips. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the right account so you can access your personalized settings. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your account page. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the settings icon, which is located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open up the settings menu where you can tweak various YouTube preferences. In the settings menu, scroll down until you see the general option. Tap on it to proceed. Now, within the general settings, scroll down to the bottom until you find the Earn Badges option, which is currently enabled by default. To disable this feature, simply tap on the Earn Badges option to turn it off. And that's it! You've successfully turned off the Earn Badges feature on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.